So hello everyone, and yes, you can see this. There is some rain, and it is raining as of now. And today I'm going to talk to you about the things which I can make or cook. So I like cooking, and the things which I can cook are the basically sabji, roti, or sorry, I'm not saying it's a sabji roti. It's sabji. It's chapatis. Along with that, chicken and various types of chapatis, uh, cutlet, and I've tried. If I say you Maggie, then you laugh. So I'm not saying that I cook Maggie. So Maggie and mushroom, chicken, Maggie, sabji, any kind of veg sabjis you can say. So I have cooked mushroom kofta. Uh, how do you call it? Chole, and mushroom ki sabji. Along with that, I have also prepared various kinds of foods, and these are the most frequent one which I usually cook when I was preparing for the JEE examination. So I was outside the house and I was cooking the food solely on myself. So yes, and in the drinking, what I cook is the tea, coffee, and some kind of mojito. It's called mojito, not mojito. Okay, and if I have to say, yes, these are the things that I can cook. And now I think there are some other recipes that I have discovered while I was alone and cooking food alone. Was you can make paneer, paneer ki sabji with only paneer and tomato and some masalas. So these three things are required to make paneer ki sabji, and this was one of the best recipe that I have discovered while exploring on the cooking my cooking side. Apart from that, the second recipe, so there was one leave it the recipe. I was going to explain you one incident. So there was one incident where the lockdown phase was there, where I was cooking the cutlet or cutlet, and for that you need not cutlet, pakodi, and for that you need besan. So the besan was not there. So what I have to do was I was I have to take that atta and the things which are used in that pakodi to mix it up in the atta and then steam it in the oil. So that was a very disastrous experience for me because I was cooking that for the first time, and it kind of was not good at all. And I think the rain has arrived a lot, so I have to go. Let's go. Bye bye.